Hi friends, so today I'm starting my Christmas decoration. Yes, I know it might seem too early to start, but I'm already in the Christmas spirit, and most times I like to do mine early so I could have it as long as I want and enjoy it before taking it down by January. So I'm heading to the store to get a few things. I need to get a new Christmas tree. I ordered one and they will be putting it in my car at the curbside pickup. Then I also ordered a new inflatable, and I'll also be picking up some lights. So come with me as I go shopping. I don't know if I should get this or get this. I'm kind of confused right now. These are so beautiful. I'm leaning towards this. I don't like the ribbon in this. So now it's time to head back home and start decorating. So right now I'm heading back home to start decorating. I'm kind of in a hurry because I have some people coming to help me do the decoration, especially the one outside. So yeah, I might actually do a live video. I might go live, or I might just record it and show you guys later what it looks like. So I'll keep you guys posted.